Hello everyone, this is Jun, and today's video is actually just a live stream for my Instagram last weekend when I go out to the circus with my friends. Um, so I might be posting something like this soon, but these are not going to be like full tutorial. I'm not going to explain a lot of techniques. I'm just going to show like the process of me doing this because I didn't actually think this through. And they're not being edited well. So yeah, and they are not the best quality. So the point of this makeup is to draw um, two diamonds on your eyes, diamond or star shape, and then use some black eyeshadow to draw on the mouth crack, stitch, whatever you call it, and then use some a pink contour all over the face. So use the pink contour as a base, and then use some overlay some brown palette powder on top, and use some black eyeshadow as you would normally um, around the eye area, under eye, also just to draw like tear back kind of effect on. And so use a angle brush to draw the crease on, and then emphasize it again with a smaller brush and blend it in with your nose contour. So make it use a darker color to do it. Use the red to like refill it so it will be more vibrant, and then blend the crease with the darker colors and just do it. um, just emphasize the contour again because you're having a really strong eye makeup, so you need to have like a stronger contour as well. Um, and then afterwards, blend it, blend it. Use some dark eyeshadow on your mouth, and then use some eyeliners to draw on the crack, the stitch bit, and apply some lipstick on afterwards. Any kind of lipstick will do. It depends on the color of your choice, and you can use normal lipstick, liquid lipstick, whatever. But the point is to overlay the red over the black bit, so it looks kind of like a bleeding effect. So maybe a lip liner is a good idea. And then use any kind of eyeshadow, eyeliner, whatever. I use a liquid eyeshadow here to draw on some like shape on your face, like a tear I draw here. And remember to like do highlights, do some use some really heavy contour. Remember to do the contour on your jawline as well, and put on some draw on your eyebrows, kind of curvy kind of shape eyebrow. Um, and then draw on the eyeliners. Also use a liquid, no, or white pencil to draw on your waterline. And then yeah, comments and what you want to say. If you want to see more of these or like proper tutorials, also follow me on Instagram because I have like I will probably stream some more makeup bits, and that's the finishing look. There you go.